Okay, so far today I have had a glass of water first thing, and then I had a cup of coffee, and now I'm ready for the morning smoothie. I'm also working on my second glass of water, as you can see here, and in the smoothie today it's going to be, let's see, my flax seeds, carrot, spinach, yogurt, lots of berries, blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, and cherries, figs, and bananas. So yesterday I had for breakfast I had eggs and bacon and a paleo waffle. So today we're going to be a little more not to say healthy, but just we're going to get a little more vegetables in. Okay, time to mix this up and get it going. So once I've had this, I'm going to get my vitamins, and then I'm off to the farmer's market. I'm having some friends over and I'm making a stew, but I need zucchini. So get this down and then off I go on my quest for zucchini at the wrong time of season. Back from the farmer's market, and I need a little snack before lunch. So this is some homemade date and fig and walnut bread. Homemade by me a couple of days ago. So I'm gonna polish this off and then get on with work. And it's lunchtime, but before I tell you show you what I'm having for lunch, this is what I got from the farmer's market. I went to the biggest farmer's market that we have in our area, and there were dozens of vendors, but no zucchini to be found. So instead I got turnips, and these are Japanese turnips, so they're not as bitter as, you know, like the really big turnips. So as soon as I eat, I'm going to be spending the afternoon chopping and prepping vegetables. So I have onion, celery, turnips, kale. I will probably use some of these greens too, not the ones that are like bad, and sweet potatoes. Actually, these are yams. So I'm going to be spending the afternoon chopping and prepping, but let me show you what I'm eating. I got tomato soup. I have some leftover chicken from roast chicken that we got at the store. That's an avocado, and it's dressed with my homemade fermented mustard, of which I am obsessed. So I'm going to eat this and then get on to chopping. I forgot to show you what kind of soup I had. It's the low sodium organic tomato and roasted red pepper soup from Trader Joe's. It's really good too. The stew is cooking. These vegetables just need to cook down for a while, and then I'll add in the meat and the turnips and the yams. By the time this is done, they will break down into the sauce and create a nice thick sauce. Okay, so here's my plate. It's got rice and then the stew on it. I'm also serving some cornbread for other people, but obviously I'm not eating it because I'm allergic. But yeah, this is gonna be my dinner. The stew has yams and turnips, ginger, garlic. It's spiced with chili powder and curry, and it's really, really good. End of the night, turmeric cocoa, hot cocoa. Oh, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.